Hey guys, what we have here is a 3D printed dragon, guys. It's very cool. This is some of the, let's see what it look like. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you guys. So those are some of the color as well, so it could be any one. So once you open it, look at that. Look at that, guys, so cool. So this is an egg. As you can see, this is our dragon egg. You got the scales and everything. Feels so good. You wanna touch it? Yeah. So let's open it and see our dragon. So this is our dragon. Oh, it's very spiky. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, it's so cool, guys. Look at that. Oh. It looks so cool, guys. And then of course you could bend that however you want. To decorate it, you could put it in your tables, your desktop, whatever you prefer. It just looks so awesome, guys. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting one, I would say definitely go for it, guys. This is very well made. I absolutely love it. Super cool.